Top 5 Best Card Table. Number 5. XL Series Folding Card Table. This XL Series folding table is very sturdy. The chairs have been tailored to ensure that those who sit on them enjoy maximum comfort. The table is larger about the typical card table. The card table is one that is going to last for very many years. You can use this table both for commercial applications and even for home use. The table can even be accessed by those people who are using a wheelchair. The chairs are strong enough to support a lot of weight. Features. The chairs are very comfortable as they have 1.5-inch thick padding. This card table is made of vinyl and fabric upholstery, making it very easy to clean. It has triple cross bracing and quad leg hinging that enables it to support a lot of weight. Coming in number 4. Stakmore Straight Edge Wood Folding Card Table. Majority of the people that do play cards wants a table that is simple, functional, but at the same time, one that is elegant. Well, this table does have a lot of offer. It is made of very high quality wood. It can fold and stored when not in use. The square top is very spacious. When folded, its size reduces to 3-inch, which is very convenient for storage, transport, and much more. The finish is not only nice, but also very smooth. Features. This table easily folds into a 3-inch. It is made from solid wood. The table is sturdy and well made. Steel folding mechanism. Coming in number 3. Stakmore Wood Folding Card Table. This is a very solid wood table, and it is quite sturdy. The table is of very high quality, and it can be used for additional activities such as a dining table. The folding mechanism is very easy to operate. Apart from this item being solid wood, it has a very nice lustrous finish in the medium brown. The top a high finish. The good thing is, no assembling will be required as it comes ready for use. The fold-in legs makes it very easy to set it up. You do not require any screws. Features. It does fold to about 4 inches high for storage under a bed or garage. The table is made from solid wood. It is sturdy and very stable. The table does open or folds up very easily. Coming in number 2. Classic Series XL Series Square Folding Card Table. Playing cards are done for different reasons. There are those who do it for bonding. Others do it have fun, and there are those who do it to earn money. Having a table that is not large enough to hold all of you, can turn this activity into a disaster. Well, the XL Series folding card table is large enough to ensure you and your friends do fit. It measures 38 by 38 inches. This does mean you have a lot of space that you can utilize. It is stain resistant, and you will find it very easy to clean. This is a quality that you can trust. Features. This card table is wheelchair accessible. The legs of this card table do lock into place, ensuring safety as well as stability. The high-grade steel frame and the vinyl upholstery does mean that the table is going to last for years. It can be used for multiple events in places like churches, clubs, etc. Coming in number 1. Costco 5-piece folding table and chair set. Costco folding table and chair set is our first choice. It earned the first position because of its amazing features. It has durable steel frames and a high-quality powder-coated finish. It is sturdy and does require very little maintenance. Features. Non-marring, the leg tips do protect floor surfaces. Strong, it has made use of cross braces and tube reinforced frame. Little maintenance, the durable steel frame with the powder-coated finish makes it very easy to maintain.